Good afternoon, guys. I'm going again to make a video presentation about remaining cargo to load. So this will be my third video about uh, loading of remaining cargo to load. So let's start, guys. This is an actual loading plan again, and the name of the vessel is Cape Odyssey. Take note of the date. It is the present date, but due to the program of this laptop, he's carried out the present date, but this was carried out long time ago. And the author of this, the one who made this loading plan, is Chief Officer Rocky A. Cabanig. He was the one. He's the chief officer that I relieved. So somewhere, a few years back, he was the one who made this loading sequence. Again, the load port is Port Hedland and to be discharged in Pohang, South Korea. The cargo is iron ore and density at berth is 1.025. The total cargo to load is 196,520 metric tons, and the cargo grade is Yan Defines all throughout. So Yan Defines. Okay, so let's start. Now, again, this is the pour. This is the cargo hold to be loaded and the amount of cargo to be loaded in its hold. This is the ballast operation, and this is number of hours of ballasting per operation, ballast operation. And this is the arrival berth drop of 8.03 meters forward, up is 8.35 meters. Bending moments is 26%, shearing force is 7%, air drop is 19, the mid drop is 8.19, and trim is 0.32. Okay, so make this a little bigger. Okay, then assuming that the operation is now continuous or ongoing, so again, upon reaching pour number 18, the foreman will stop the loading operation upon completion of loading in hold number 3 of 10,000 metric tons. So he has advised the duty officer to ask the chief officer and the drop surveyor to take the drop reading around the vessel, forward, up, and mid for the starboard, so that they can compute for the remaining cargo to load for trimming. Now, as soon as they completed the drop reading, they both agreed that forward drop, okay, forward drop, this is up drop, forward drop is 19.93 meters, and up drop is 17.38 meters, and the mid drop, this is the mid drop. Okay, the mid drop is 17.16 and the trim is 0.45. So with this agreed draft, we'll put now into action with our program. So let's go to our program. This is the Cape Odyssey. Okay, Cape Odyssey. So we go to form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, so we put now the forward and up drop. What is our forward drop? Wardrop is 16.93. Put here 16.93. And updraft is how much? Updraft is 17.38. Here 17.38. Okay. Take note that the main drop is 17.16 and trim is 0.45. Double check. Main drop is 17.16 and 0.45 the trim. So it's confirmed. Then you have your LCF, MTC, and TPC. Okay. And the actual reading of the midport is 17.16. 17.16. And the starboard mid drop is also the same of 17.16. So there's no list, and the departure drop mid drop or the departure drop is how much? 17.54. Okay, 17.54. Put here 17.54. Take note that the density at birth of loading is 1.025 until completion, and the density is 1.05. 1.025. Okay. Once you put here the final mid drop, you will automatically get the sinkage. Okay. Sinkage is 0.38. How do you get this one? Is your final mid drop minus your mid drop, actual mid drop, is your sinkage of 0.38. Okay. And this will be the amount of recommended cargo to load for trimming. So click this one. You will have the formula K8 times M3 times 100. So letter K and row 8. Okay, that will be your sinkage times your M3, M colon M and row 3, which is your TPC times 100. So I will repeat. Sinkage total recommended cargo to load for trimming is sinkage times TPC times 100. Okay, then you will get this amount. Take note, in your departure drop, mid drop of 1754, you will interpolate the TPC. So in the drop of 17.54, the interpolation of TPC is 13868, which is this one. Okay. Now you have already this figure. How much is the recommended cargo to load is 5,270. Okay. And the loading plan, the total amount of trimming for cargo is 5,000. But here we have 270 metric tons more. Okay. So you follow this arrow and put the figure of 5,270. 5,270 to round it up. So once you put load 5,270 results after loading, Then your departure drop, mid drop is 1754, which is exactly the same here. And your sinkage is exactly the same here of 038. Okay? Now, since this is your recommended cargo to load for trimming, for actual to load, so you put here 5270, which is run up, and you put the TPC of your initial drop. The TPC is 13863. Okay, so 5270 divided with 138.63, that will be 38.01, and divide by 100, that will be 0.38. Okay, your present drop, mid drop is 1716, and your sinkage is 38. This one, this will be your final departure made of 1554. Your target, amount of target for trimming is 5270, which is this one. This is run up, and your recommended is 5269.7. Then there's a difference of 0.3. Okay, so actual cargo to load for trimming, then you go for trim two holds. Go to trim two holds, trimming with two holds. Take note of the remaining cargo is 5270. This is your initial drop, min drop, and trim, MTC, LCF, and TPC. Now, what is our trimming hold? Trimming hold is, according to our plan, is 1 and 9. So 1 and 9, trimming hold. This is to 1, enter, and 9. Okay, let's scroll down. What will be our final trim? Our final trim should be 22 centimeters or 0.22 meters. 22, put here 0.22 meters or 22 centimeters. Then the recommended to load for hold number 1 is 2654.5. So let's make this 2655. 2655. Make this 2655. 2655. Then number 9 should be 2615. 2615. There you go. And your departure drop forward will be 1743. 1743. And updraft should be 1765. 1765. Okay, your trim is 022, your main drop is 1754, and your deflection is 0. Okay, adjust this one. Adjust this one. Okay, then you go to form number 6. Go back to form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Scroll down. Take note that in number 1, you have to load 2655. 2655, and number 9 is 2615. Number 9 is 2615. You put it here. Apply the LCG of 1 and 9. So LCG LCB 1 is negative 117.91. Negative 117.91, and hold number 9 is 9408. Hold number 9 is 94.08. Okay, confirm. Then your departure drop forward would be 1743. There's 1743, and up drop should be 1765. 1765. Your trim is 0.22, and your main is 1754, and your deflection is 0. Then we go to trim by trim table. Take note of the remaining cargo to load of 5270. 5270. There you go, 5270. And remaining hold is 1 and 9. Number 1, you have to load 2655, and 9 is 2615. Now get the forward up correction of hold number 1 and hold number 9. So we go to hold number 1. This is the vessel for the correction of hold number 1. Hold number 1 is 2.7. Put here 2.7, 2.7, and that is forward correction. The up correction should be negative 1.3. Negative 1.3. Negative 1.3. And the cargo hold number 9 forward correction is, scroll down, cargo hold number 9 forward correction is negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. And up correction is how much? Up correction 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. And your sailing drop is so forward drop should be how much? 1743. Okay, 1743. So it's 1 centimeters more. We reduce this one. Make this 2.69. 69. There you go, 1743. And up drop should be how much? Up drop should be 1765. Okay, 1765. So it's less, so you add here. You add the correction. Put it 2.31. Nothing change. Put it 2.32. Still doesn't change. Put it 2.33. Doesn't change. Add more. 2.33. 24. There you go. The forward, but the trim is 21 less. So you add, make it 5. Okay. Still 21. Add more. Put it 6. There you go. 022. Okay. So that will be forward is 1743. up is 1765. 1765, main is 1754, main is 754, then trim is 022, then your deflection is 0. Okay? Take note here, doesn't say which hole to load first. So I recommended that we load in hole number 9, okay, first to have a good trim. So number 9, the amount is 2615, same here. Correction forward, negative 0.8, negative 0.8, up is 2.36, 2.36. Hole number 1 is 2655, forward is 2.69, and up correction is negative 1.3. So confirm. So first you have to load in hole number 9 so that you will have a good trim. So after completion the hole number 9 of 26 excuse me 2615, then this will be your initial drop of forward 16.72, up drop is 18 meters. Then you will load in number 1 of 2655. After completion, after loading 2615, then your trim forward will be 1743, up is 1765, your trim is 0.22, and your main drop will be 1754, and your deflection is 0. Okay, which is the same here. So we have now 3 programs to back you up. For number 6, trim 2 holes and by trim table. So we go to the last program, which is form number 7. Form number 7 is how to find, drop, and trim when handling weights and involving large changes in wind drop. Take note that the density at birth is 1.025. Okay, 1.025. So you put here 1.025, and until completion the density will also be 1.025. That is the density. So what is the drop forward? The forward is 16.93. Put here 16.93, 16.93. Drop up is how much? 17.38. Put here 17.38. Okay, then scroll down, you put now the amount of cargo for trimming. Okay, so what you do, this should be hole number 1, put it like this, go to trim 2 holes, then click 1, as it goes. Then you go to number 9, or you go to the cargo, equals, then you go to this cargo. Okay, press enter, and the LCG of number 1, hold number 1, LCG of hold number 1, LCG of hold number 1, this will be, click this one, then there you go. Then the other cargo hold is hold number 9, press this one, equals, go to trim holes 2, then you press this one, 9, there goes 9. Then the weight, put equals, go to trim holes 2 and click the weight. Then the LCG, correct the LCG equals, that's hold number 9. Okay, hold number 9, scroll down, and number 9 is this one. Okay, so updated this one already. Scroll down, and your departure drop forward is 1743, and updraft is 1765. 765, you have 1764, and your main drop is 1754. 1754 or 1754, and your trim should be 022. Okay, 022, and your deflection is 0. I mean, your main is 1754 and your reflection is 022. If you round it off, then you have your 0 deflection. Again, I will advise that what's more important is your main drop. If your main drop is 1754, then you will have the exact departure drop or the amount of 196520 if your main drop is 1754. So in your program, in form number 7, if your main drop is 1754, then you will get the exact amount. Regardless of your drop forward and up, what's more important if you can get the target mid drop of 1754. Okay, so this is form number 7, that is number 1. Number 2, by trim table, the same drop, departure drop and mid drop and your trim, that is number 2. And number 3 program, trim 2 holds, you still have core drop of 1743, up drop of 1765, 22 centimeters trim and 17.5 for your mean, 0 deflection here. And number 4 is form number 6. You still have the same forward drop of 1743 and 1765 off, trim of 022, mean is 1754. So you have 4 programs to back you up. This is form number 6, trim 2 holds, by trim table, and your form number 6. Okay, so this is only for this is this loading plan is for Capesize vessel or Cape Odyssey, which is Cape Odyssey. Okay, now with the same figures here, we will try to use another capesize vessel. This time we will use MB CPO Europe. Okay, this is another vessel. So let's start with form number 6. What was the initial drop? Initial drop is 1693. Okay, 1693. Put here 16.93, and up drop is 1738. 1738. 1738. 17.38. 0.38. Okay. Take note, your main is 1716, trimmed by the stern of 0.45, your LCF, MTC, and TPC. So, actual mid port is 1716. 17.16. Then your mid starboard is 17.16. Okay. The density at berth is 1.025. 0.025. Upon completion, the density is still 1.025. Your departure drop is how much? Departure drop is 1754. So 1754. Put here 17.54. Okay. With this final the departure drop, the recommended cargo to load is 4683.8. Okay. So you scroll down, just follow this arrow, then round this up 46884. 4684. 4684. So once you loaded 4684 results after loading 4684, then your mid departure is 1754, which is exactly the same here, and your sink gauge is 0.38, which is the same here. Okay. Now, since your cargo to load is 4684, so you put it here 4684, and the TPC of your initial drop is 12297. So 12297. So 4684 divide 12287 will be 38.09. Divide this by 100, that will 0.381 or 0.38. Your present drop is 1716. Apply your sink gauge of 38. Then your final departure will be 1754, and the recommended cargo to load for trimming is 4683.8. The actual cargo to load is 4684. Then there's a difference of negative 0.2. Okay. Then here, this is the actual cargo to load for trimming is 4684. Then you go to trim modes 2. You go to trim modes 2. Trimming with 2 holes. Okay. Take note, this 4684, your initial drop, min drop, trim, MTC, LCF, and TPC. So what is the trimming hold? Trimming hold is 9 and 1. Okay. 9 and 1. Take note, guys, this is 2 and 8. This will also change. This 2 and 8 and this one. Okay. So we put here 1, there 1, and 9. Okay. Take note that it has already changed to 9 and 1 and 9 and 1. Okay. Now, how much then your trim? What should be your trim? That will be 0. Final trim should be 22 centimeters or 0.22 meters. Okay. So you put here 0.22 And your final departure drop would be the recommended cargo to load for hold number 1 is 2316. Round off is 2316. You put here 2316, 2316. And number 9 should be 2368. 2368. Okay? And your final departure drop forward would be 1743. Okay, 1743, and up should be 1765. 1765. Your trim should be 022 and your main drop is 1754. If you run it up, and you have now your deflection of 0. How do you get deflection? Main drop minus your main drop is your deflection, which is 0. So this is the first program for number 6. Okay, and your trim 2 holds. Then we go by trim table. Okay, trim table. Take note that the trimming cargo to load for is 4684. It is 4684. 4684. Okay, 4684. Trim table, of course. Okay, 4684. And number 1, number 9 is trimming hold. The amount is 2316. 2316. Okay, check on that. 2316, 2368. 2316, 2368. Okay, then apply the forward correction of number 1 and number 9. Forward correction of number 1. This is CPU Europe. So forward correction number 1 is 2.7. Put here 2.7. And up correction is how much? Negative 1.3. Negative 1.3. And number 9, forward correction. Scroll down. So this will be number 9, forward correction is negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. And up correction is how much? 2.3. Then you put here 2.3. Then departure drop forward is 1737, up drop is 1762, and your trim is trim by the stern of 0.26. It should be 22. So less drop forward, so you adjust the correction forward. So drop should be how much? 1743. Okay, 1743. This should be 43. So increase this one to 2.8. There you go. 39. 42.9. 1741. Make it 3 meters. So it's more. That's so 2.99. Make this 2.99. 43. Okay, and up should be how much? Up should be 1765. 1765. So add your trim, less trim, so you add here, that will be, make it 2.465. There you go. But your still trim is less. So add, make it 42, 2.42. There you go. Forward is 1743. Okay, 743. Updraft is 1765. 765. Your main drop is 1754. 1754. And your trim is 0.22. Okay, trim is 0.22. And your deflection is 0. We try to increase this one. We try to reduce this 0025. We'll try 4843. No, increases. So it should be 2.42. Then we have this drop. Okay. Then we go now. This is 1, 2, 3. And the last program, we go to form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind drop. Take note of the initial, the density at birth was 1.025, 1.025, and until completion, the density is 1.025, 1.025, okay? And the initial drop forward is 1693. Oh, we can use this one, 1693. 16.93. Drop up is 1738. 1738. 17.38. Okay. So what is this? Is now your trimming hold 1 and 9. How much cargo to load in number 1? Number 1 is 2316. Click this one. Okay. Click this one equals number 1 2316 and number 9 what equals, click trim 2 holds, then click number 9, the amount of cargo. Okay, check the LCG, scroll down, LCG of number 1 is 177,876. 177,876, and number 9 is 90.93, 90.31. Okay, so confirm, same. And your departure drop will be forward of 1743, up drop is 1765, and your main drop is 1754. 1754 or 1754. Okay, and your trim should be 022. If you run off this one, this should be 022. Again, I say the main drop is more important, because if you get this 1754, which is according to your plan, if your main drop is 1754 or your main drop, then you will get the target total amount of 196520. Okay, so this is this is CPU Europe. Then we go now to the last vessel, which is MB Cape United. This is also a capsized vessel. So let's go to the drop forward. Okay, drop forward is 1693. 16.93 and up is 1738. Here 17.38. Then you have your main drop of 1716, trim of 045, LCF, MTC, and TPC. So your actual midport is 1716, 17.16, and starboard is 17.16, 17.16, and your departure drop is 17.54. Okay, put here 17.54. Then your recommended cargo to load for trimming is 5,243. But according to your plan, your recommended cargo to load is only 5,000. But you recommended only for 5,243. Okay, you follow the initial density forward. The initial density of loading at berth is 1.025. I'm sorry, 025. Okay, and upon completion is 1.025. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, since this is the recommended cargo to load of 5243, so you put here, follow this one, put here 5243, 5243. Then results after loading 5243, then your departure drop, mid drop is 1754. This is exactly the same here, and your sinkage is 0.38, which is the same here. Okay, and take note again, to get another sinkage is your recommended cargo to load trimming is 5243. Put here the TPC of your initial drop, which is this one, 13792. So divide 5240, divide it by 13792, that would be 38.01. Divide this 100, that would be 038. Okay, and your pressure drop is 1716. Your sinkage is 38, and your final mid drop is 1754, which is this one, and your target drop is, which is this one, 5243, and the recommended is 52431, and your difference is negative 0.1. Okay, then you go to 3 moles 2. take note of the Take note of the cargo to load is 5243, which is this one, 5243. Okay, this is your initial drop, mid drop, empty CRCF, and TPC. Again, change the trimming hold is 1 and 9. Take note, this will change. This will also change. Okay, so put here number 1, cargo hold number 1, there, and cargo hold number 9. And take note, it has already changed to 1 and 9, and change here 1 and 9. Okay, once you change this cargo hold for trimming of 1 and 9, what will be our recommended trim? Okay, according to our plan, our trim should be 22 centimeters. Okay, so 22 centimeters, put here 0.22. Then he will recommend what to load in hold number 9 and number 1. So number 1, you recommend to load 2621. 2621. Put here 2621, and number 9 should be 2622. 2622. Run it up, and your departure drop will be forward of 1743. 1743 up. Up is 1765. 1765. Your trim is 22. Trim 22, and your main drop is 1754. Okay, 1754 for this one, departure drop 1754, and your deflection is 0. Okay, mid minus main equals 0 deflection. So how do I get this one? Put this, okay, or 0. So I'll get this one, mid, put equals, go to form number 6. This is your departure mid. Okay, enter, and your main equals, this will be your main. Then that will be program number 1 and number 2. Program number 3 by trim table. By trim table, trimming table. Take note of the cargo to load is 5243. 5243. Okay, 5243. This is number 1 for trimming hood 1 and 9. This is the amount cargo for trimming of 1 and 9. So 2629, 2629, and 2622. Okay, 2622. So we now apply the correction, forward and up correction, hold number 1 and hold number 9. So hold number 1, cape size, number 1, 8, this will be 8. Okay, put this, no field. So number 1 is 2.7. Nearest 18. The drop, your departure drop is 1754, so it's almost 18 meters. That's why I choose 18 meters and not 16. So the nearest. So forward hold number 1 is 2.7. So put here 2.7, and up correction is how much? Negative 1.3. Negative 1.3. Then a forward correction in number 9. Scroll down. So this is number 9. Put this. Number 1, forward correction on hold number 9 is negative 0.9. Put this negative 0.9. And up correction is how much? Up correction is 2.3. Put here 2.3. And your departure drop is how much? So forward is 1740 less, up is 1764 less, and your trim is more. So adjust the forward correction. Adjust the forward correction. So increase this one. So we have to increase also this one. Make it 2.8. Now 1743. So now we have to adjust now in up. So we have to also increase. Make it 2.4. Too much. This should be 65. That will be 39. So 39. 67. Increase more. 38. Now 1766. Decrease more. 37. Little decrease more. 36. Little more. 35. Little more. 34. And what is your? There you go. So in forward is 1743. 1743. Up is 1765. Mean is 1754. Means and your trim is 022. 022. There you go. So she's here. It doesn't say which cargo hold to load first. So I suggested that I have to load first in hold number 9 to have a good trim, and hold number 1 after. So take note. Number 1 is 2621. You have 2621. Correction is 2.8. 2.8. Up is 1.3. Number 9 is 2622. Forward is negative 0.9. Up is 2.34. Okay. Click this one. 2.34. Okay. Then your final drop will be forward 1743. Up drop is 765. Trim is 022. Main drop is 754. And your deflection is 0. Okay. Put this one. Okay. So the same. That is 1, 2, 3. And the last program is for number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind drop. So the density at birth is 1.025. 1.025. Until completion, the density will also be 1.025. Okay. So what is our drop forward? the forward is 1693. Put there 16.93. Up 1738. Put there 17.38. Take note, mean drop is 1716. The trim is 0.45. Then our trimming hold is 1 and 9. So adjust this one. This equals. Go to holds 2. Click this one. And number 9. What equals. Then go to trim holds 2. Click hold 9. And what is the amount of cargo in number 1? Equals. You go to trim holds 2. Click this amount. Enter. And again equals. Go to number 9. Click this one. Okay. Now check the LCG. Okay, check the LCG. Scroll down. LCG of number 1 is 117.91. 117.91 and number 9 hold LCG is 9408. Number 9 is 9408. Okay. So it is confirmed. Your departure drop forward is 1743. It is forward is 1743. Up drop is 1765. Your main drop is 1754. And your trim is 022. 022. There you go, and your deflection is 0. So you have 4 programs to back you up. This is form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. Then you have by trim table. Okay. And the departure drop is forward 1743, up to 1765, main is 1754. Your mid is 1754. Your trim is 22. That is your second program. And the third program is trim 2 holds. Okay. Trimming 2 holds. And your forward drop is 1743, up drop is 1765. Your trim is 022 and your main drop is 1754. The fourth one, form number 6. Form number 6 is how to find trim and when handling several moderate weights. And your departure drop forward is 1743, up drop is 1765. Your trim is 022 and your main is 1754, which is the same with your sailing drop of forward 1743, up drop is 1765, your main drop is 1754, and your trim is 022. Okay. So guys, you have 4 programs to back you up. So this is again by using the loading sequence for you to practice. So I named this program as practice number 3. So you keep doing this one, even doing this one at your vessel, at port, at home, at your office, or wherever you are. You practice this one regardless of your rank. If you're an officer, a student, teacher or instructor or whatever your status in life, you can avail of this program and practice this one until you will have self-confidence. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Bye and good night.